Hi, my name is Elena from Canada, and I'm happy to be here today to talk about Surgero. I was doing online searches and I found your website, and then I contacted you, and you were tremendously helpful. I immediately began to feel at ease because I was traveling here by myself, and I would be here by myself the whole time during the surgery, so I was very worried about it, and you were both really wonderful through the whole process. The transfer service was excellent. I was picked up at the airport, very, very nice. Helped me with my phone also, so that I had internet right away when I came here. I'm not great with technology, and that was really, again, like something really helpful. Hospital service was excellent, very, very clean. The nurses were very sweet. The doctor that was chosen for me was wonderful. And I really felt very well taken care of. I'm happy with my results. It's a long process, but I'm happy with my results, and I'm really happy with the doctor service that I had, and then all of the follow-up and aftercare was huge for me. That was crucial for me because before I came here, if I didn't have that, I was going to actually cancel it. And so Surgero was able to make sure that I had a nurse, and the nurse, who's so lovely, would come every day. And then any questions I had, I was able to WhatsApp, and all of my questions were answered so quickly. And so I really, really felt very well taken care of, and I'm here by myself, and I've never been to Turkey. So I would really, really encourage anyone who's thinking of doing it on their own to contact you, because genuinely so, like I was very scared, and all of my fears were eased, and I was helped every step of the way. Excellent. My overall experience is